Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You open a new Google Sheet and name it for the month so records stay organized. First, create columns: date, category, description, amount, payment method. This gives structure. Once done, set amount to currency and date to date format so formulas work properly. Make sure you use short category labels for consistent filtering. You're starting with structure because clean inputs prevent errors later. Now enter a few recent transactions to validate formats and see immediate totals populate. Now you build the logic. In the totals row, use SUM to add amounts and use SUMIF to calculate per category spending, which shows where money goes. Then create a data validation list for category so you select consistent labels. This avoids split categories. Add a running balance column or a single cell showing remaining budget using a simple subtraction formula. Make sure to lock header ranges when needed so filters and freeze panes keep labels visible while you scroll. Finish by visualizing trends with a pie or column chart of category totals so you can quickly spot big expenses. Charts update as you add entries. Once set, protect key cells and create a blank monthly copy as a template so you don't rebuild each month. Export or backup to Drive if needed. If numbers look wrong, check for wrong cell formats, extra spaces in categories, or misplaced SUM ranges. Correcting those resolves most common issues and gets your sheet accurate.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.